What's the meaning of airworthy? Airworthy. 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 Airworthy.
Airworthy is a term used in the aviation industry to describe an aircraft that is deemed safe and fit to fly. An aircraft is considered airworthy when it meets the required standards set forth by regulatory agencies, such as the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. This includes being properly maintained, free of defects or damage, and having all necessary equipment and documentation in place. An airworthy aircraft must also meet specific performance and safety requirements before it can be used for commercial or private flights. Ensuring an aircraft is airworthy is critical for the safety of all passengers and crew on board.